Welcome to Lakshya Institute Pathankot channel. So today in lecture 13 we will discuss all the questions which are there in the previous Neet examination for class 11th for chapter 13 photosynthesis in higher plants. So let's start with the video. Question first. With reference to factors affecting the rate of photosynthesis, which one of the following statement is incorrect? Option A. Light saturation of CO2 fixation at 10% of full sunlight. Option B. Tomato is a greenhouse crop which can be grown in CO2 enriched atmosphere for higher yield. Option third. C3 plants respond to high temperature with enhanced photosynthesis while C4 plants have much lower temperature optimum. Option fourth, increasing atmospheric CO2 concentration up to 0.05% can enhance CO2 fixation rate. The right answer is option third, which is C3 plants respond to high temperature with enhanced photosynthesis while C4 plants have much lower temperature optimum. Question second. Water vapor comes out from plant leaf through the stomatal opening. Through the same stomatal opening, carbon dioxide diffuses into the plant during photosynthesis. Reason out the above statements using one of the following options. So the first option is both processes can happen together because the diffusion coefficient of water and CO2 is different. Option second is both processes cannot happen simultaneously. Option third is one process is occur during daytime and other at night. Option fourth is the above processes happen only during night time. So the right answer for this question is option A, which is both processes can happen together because the diffusion coefficient of water and CO2 is different. Question third, the process making major difference between C3 and C4 plant is option A is respiration, option B is Calvin cycle, option C is photorespiration and option D glycolysis. So the right answer for this question is option C, photorespiration. Question fourth. Immersion's enhancement effect and red drop have been instrumental in the discovery of option A is two photosystems operating simultaneously. Option B is oxidative phosphorylation. Option C is photophosphorylation and cyclic electron transport. Option D is photophosphorylation and non-cyclic electron transport. So the right answer is option A, two photosystem operating simultaneously. Question fifth. Light independent reaction and photosynthesis take place at option A is cycloid lumen, option B is photosystem 2, option C is photosystem 1 and option D is stromal matrix. The right answer is option D, stromal matrix. Question 6. Read the following statement. Statement 1 is symbiotic nitrogen fixes occurs in free living state also in soil. Statement second is stamens and flower of Goliosa and Petunia are polyandrous. Statement third is in dicot stems, a new cambium originates from cells of pericycle at the time of secondary growth. Statement 4 is both photophosphorylation and oxidative phosphorylation involve uphill transport of protons across the membrane. So how many of the above statements are true? Option A is 1, B is 2, C is 3 and D is 4. So the right answer is option B, true statement. Question 7th. In Kranz anatomy, the bundle sheath cells have option A is thick walls, many intercellular spaces and few chloroplast. Option B is thin walls, no intercellular spaces and several chloroplast. Option third is thin walls, many intercellular spaces and no chloroplast. Option fourth is thick walls, no intercellular spaces and large number of chloroplast. The right answer is option 4, which is thick walls, no intercellular spaces and large number of chloroplast. Question 8th. PGA as the first CO2 fixation product was discovered in the photosynthesis of option A is alga, option B is angiosperm, option C is gymnosperm and option D is bryophyte. The right answer is option A, alga. Question 9th. Kranz anatomy is one of the characteristic of the leaves of option A is potato, option B is sugarcane, option C is wheat and option D is mustard. The right answer is option second, which is sugarcane. The last question for this lecture is electrons from excited chlorophyll molecule of photosystem 2 are accepted first by option A is cytochrome F, option B is quinine, option C is cytochrome B and option D is ferredoxin. So the right answer is option B, quinine.